Anita, hello, welcome.
Hi. What I really like about mathematics is that it's pure. You have an argument, and that argument is either correct or it's not correct. It doesn't matter whether you are, where you're from and what's your background. It just matters if you have a correct proof of something. I am Anita Liebenau and I work at UNSW Sydney. I work in mathematics and more specifically in combinatorics and graph theory. Combinatorics is dealing with counting discrete structures. So one example, imagine a network, like you might think of a social network. So you have lots of different people and they're linked, they may know each other, and then we can model those networks as graphs. So these are just a selection of nodes and some of these nodes are linked. With a social network like Facebook, you could have a lot of people all over the world. In some networks we study, there could be tens of thousands or even billions of points. So what you get is a random network, and what I do is think about what are the properties of these random networks on a purely theoretical level.
The complete graph of n vertices has either a red copy of Ks or a blue copy of Kt. And so there definitely exists a red-blue coloring without any of this.
At the board, you're just standing there and it's just you and pure thinking.
Right.
But you need to sort of explain this to each other and you want to explore various pathways and approaches. You just don't give up until you find some solutions.
An n here and vertices.
In order to prove something, it just takes many days, months, years sometimes. Some of my current work deals with problems in Ramsey theory. Ramsey's theorem says that you will always find three people that either mutually know each other or that mutually do not know each other. So go to any party, there will be either three people who are friends with each other or three who are strangers with each other. And it's often like paraphrased by there cannot be complete chaos. Our work has improved comprehension of the relationship between graph structures and their Ramsey properties. And in particular, how complex structures can be guaranteed to appear under various conditions. I come from a non-academic family, so even just studying math and having the thought of staying at university was out of reach for me for a long time. So really receiving this medal from the academy, this is amazing.